something about you turns me to a savage.
What's up, fellas? Today I'm playing Home Wars, and I'm gonna show you some tips and tricks and slash a beginner's guide. So I'm gonna make myself a new campaign. Yeah. So I'm gonna start off here. Now, when you load in, the first thing you want to do is you want to get all of the buildings. So you want to do is you want to go down here, you want to manage your headquarters, and what you want to do is you want to get a plastic factory, you want to get a power station, and a metal factory. Right, sorry. I can't see up there in the corner for some reason, but you can see it in the top corner. That's how much plastic I have. So, next I want to unlock myself some riflemen. These are just like, the bread and butter of the whole army. And then the supply truck and the sapper. Now I want to end the day. And now I want to go to the headquarters. I'm going to build myself another plastic factory. I'm just going to end the day there. Okay, I don't know what's wrong there, so let's actually look at what's going on. The enemy has already taken a position, so he's going to be coming close to me very, very soon. So I need to start recruitment. So what you want to do is you want to make your army mainly out of riflemen, and then what you want is to make 2 sappers, and then 2 supply trucks at the moment. Now, I'm going to create this new army. Now I'm going to have to end the day. They have not moved up, so now this is going to be my main unit. I'm going to recruit the secondary army. Again, I'm just going to do the exact same thing. Get some supply trucks in there. Get a butt ton of riflemen. And then some more sappers. Okay, they have taken 2 positions. Now what I want to do is okay. I see what went wrong. I did not have enough metal. Okay guys, I'm just going to do something real quick here. For the headquarters, you want to make another metal factory to be able to build more materials. Now, in a few turns, I am going to make a power station, but as you see, I don't have enough materials there. Now we will fight. Now, although it says that we outnumber the bugs outnumber us heavily. Which is a big issue, because, like, it's scary when you see half a dozen bugs attacking you. Right, so first thing you want to do is you want to click the F button. And you want to place down your infantry. Now, I'm going to place down a handful of riflemen, 1 sapper, and basically just more riflemen. I'm going to place down 2 vehicles there, and then I'm just going to wait. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click Start Battle, and then I'm going to pause time. And now I'm going to tell all my units what to do and where to go. So the first unit that's up is the sapper. I want him to put down glue along here. And the goal is, as you can see, to stop the bugs from getting to me. Now, well, you can't really see it, but that's the main goal. And now you just want to place some landmines within the goop or outside of it, whichever one suits you. And that's just gonna be gonna set the bugs back a small bit. Now you can place a lot of these, but I'm not gonna waste all my time here. Now I want to get those units up here. Oh wait, I have to click play, sorry. Hey. I never said line up now, did I? Line up the other way. Okay, that's better. Now these men here are covered by this supply truck. So they should be good. Now I am actually gonna send this squadron of men over here, because that side's a small bit weak. Oh god, the bugs are coming! I'm gonna light this end up! I'm gonna light them up! Oh god, they're getting far, guys! They're getting far! Now this may seem frightening, but it should not be frightening. At first. Oh god! Oh god! They broke through the lines! They broke through! Oh god! This is up to you now, soldier. Sonny. Oh god, the men need medics bad. Help! Help your comrades! Help your comrades! Ah! Code red! Light them up! So, the thing is about these is, you can easily get frightened by them. It seems like they just outnumber you 10 to 1. Which they do, but your infantry are better. Now you just want to click reinforcements there, and then you can place down your infantry. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a little cheeky trick, and I'm just going to place a bunch of them up here. Do I have any other infantry? Of course not. So I'm going to send up my sappers close to their base. I'm going to send up all my infantry close to their base. And as you can see here, the enemy outpost has a certain number. So fellas, just to give you an input, all you're really doing this time is you just keep on recruiting these infantry. So fellas, the plan is to just keep on recruiting armies, and when you think you had enough of the armies, just keep on building some of the structures, like the plastic factory.